Hello, how are you? Today we have a question which states that find the integral of cosine of 2x multiplied by cosine of 4x multiplied by cosine of 6x. We integrate it with respect to x. So in order for us to integrate a question like this, we have to use a principle called the product to sum rule. So given integral of cosine of 2x multiplied by cosine of 4x multiplied by cosine of 6x with respect to x. So we say from a product to sum rule, which states that cosine of an angle A multiplied by cosine of an angle B is the same as writing 1/2 bracket cosine of an angle A minus B, then plus cosine of an angle A plus B. So we have to convert this product. We have to convert the product of the function of cosine of two angles into the sum of the difference of two angles under the function cosine. So here, let us start with this cosine of 2x and the cosine of 4x. So here, cosine of 2x, cosine of 4x is equal to, so you can see here, angle A will have the value of 2x and angle B will have the value of 4x. So here, it will be 1/2 bracket cosine of angle A, it is 2x, minus angle B, it is 4x. Then we add cosine of angle A is 2x, then plus angle B is 4x, closing the brackets. So after that, here we'll have 1/2 bracket cosine of, we can see here 2x minus 4x is equal to cos of negative 2x, then plus here 2x plus 4x is equal to 6x, so we'll have cosine of 6x. But remember that cosine is an even function in which cosine of negative angle, so remember cosine of negative angle, let us say negative A, will be the same as cosine of positive A because cos is an even function. So here cos of negative 2x will be cos of positive 2x. So we have got that cosine of 2x cosine of 4x is the same as 1/2 cosine of 2x plus cosine of 6x. So taking this result, we are going to substitute to the given equation. So the equation states that integral of cos 2x cosine of 4x cosine of 6x dx is equal to, or can be written as integral of 1/2 bracket, substituting this result will be cosine of 2x plus cosine of 6x, but remember here we have 6x here, so it will be 6x dx. So let us open a bracket with this 6x, so here it will be, and here we have 1/2, this is constant, taking it out, so here integral of 6, sorry, here it is cosine of 6x dx. So cosine of 6x, take it inside and opening the bracket here, it will be cosine of 2x cosine of 6x, then plus cosine of 6x dx. After that, so we're going to work with this one. This is a product of cosine function, so we're going to put it in the form of sum instead of product, and the same applies to this. So starting with this, we have cosine of 2x cosine of 6x, this will be equal to 1/2, as we remember, opening the bracket, cosine of angle A minus B, so it will be 2x minus 6x, then plus cosine of angle A plus B, it will be 2x plus 6x. So here the answer will be 1/2 bracket, here cosine of 2x minus 6x, 2x minus 6x is equal to -4, Negative 4 cosine of negative angle is the same as cosine of positive angle, so here will be cosine of 4x, then plus here it will be 8x, cosine of 8x. So, and for the second one, cosine of 6x, here we have cosine of 6x multiplied by cosine of 6x. This will be equal to 1 over 2 bracket cosine of angle A minus B, so it will be 6x minus 6x, then plus cosine of angle A plus B, so it will be 6x plus 6x, closing the bracket. So here will result to 1 over 2 bracket. Here the answer is 0, so it will be cosine of 0 plus, here the answer is 12, cosine of 12x. So taking these two results and substituting into the given equation, so we say that integral of cos of 2x, cosine of 4x, cosine of 6x dx is the same as writing the integral. Remember here we have 1 over 2 here outside the integral 1 over 2. So here will be 1 over 2 integral of, first result is 1 over 2 bracket cos of 4x plus cos of 8x, then plus the second one is cosine of 0. Here we have 1 over 2 cosine of 0 plus cosine of 12x. Then all of this integrating them with respect to x. So here 1 over 2 and 1 over 2 is common. Taking it out and multiply by 1 over 2, it will be 1 over 4 integral of, here we have cosine of 4x, then plus cosine of 8x, then plus cosine of 0, then plus cosine of 12x, all of this integrating with respect to x. So we have this one, so here it will be equal to, we have 1 over 4, then opening bracket, here cosine of 4x, integral of cosine of 4x with respect to x, integral of cosine of an angle, which is equal to sine of an angle, then divided by the derivative of that angle, which is divided by 4, then plus cosine of 8x will be sine of 8x, then divided by derivative of that angle, which is 8, then plus cosine, here cosine of 0 is equal to 1, so integral of 1 is the same as x, integral of 1 is equal to x, it means that integral of dx is equal to x, then plus integral of cosine of 12x is the same as sine of 12x, then divided by the derivative of that angle, which is equal to 12, closing the bracket, then we add a constant of integration. After that, let us open the bracket by 1 over 4, so here it will be sine of 4x, 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 4 is equal to 1 over 16, then plus here to be sine of 8x, divided by 4 multiplied by 8 it is 32, then plus here x to be x over 4, then plus here sine of 12x divided by 4 multiplied by 12 is equal to 48, and then plus constant of integration. So let us recall the question. The question states that integrate cos of 2x, cos of 4x, cosine of 6x dx. So integral of this is the same as, or it will be sine of 4x, sine of 4x over 16 plus sine of 8x over 32 plus x over 4 plus sine of 12x over 48, then plus a constant of integration c. So this is the result of the integral. Thanks for watching. Bye.